Cleveland Cavaliers game last night. LeBron James chasing after a ball, slamming into the wife of another star athlete. She was taken out of the arena on a stretcher, and Candace Gibson has the story.
As 6'8", 250-pound LeBron James scrambled for a loose ball possession,
LeBron with the quick hands.
He follows the ball into the courtside seats. Then a frightening collision.
Made contact right here
With a petite woman sitting in a courtside seat.
She is still laying down. They're trying to help her up right now, but she's still down on the ground on her back.
That woman, Ellie, the wife of one of the top golfers in the world, PGA champion Jason Day.
A phenomenal talent.
He was by her side, seen here wearing all black. After several moments of laying on the floor, Ellie, strapped into a stretcher, wearing a neck brace, rushed to the hospital. Jason running after her. After the game, relief from LeBron, who went over to check on Ellie during a timeout.
Obviously, her health is very important, and hopefully she's doing well. I think, the guys told us that she's doing great now.
For Good Morning America, Candace Gibson, ABC News, New York.
LeBron, so concerned about this, tweeted out a sweet message. Ellie Day, I hope you're doing okay. My apologies. Hope you guys come back to another game soon. Love LJ.
She might sit in the second row.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're powering through this morning.
Yeah.
Was it all the screaming at the Cavs game?
Absolutely. Cavs, go Cavs. Yeah. I don't sound good. Hopefully I look okay, though.
Yeah. You look fabulous.